Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Uppercase, A. Lowercase, A. Uppercase, B. Lowercase, B. Uppercase, C. Lowercase, C. Uppercase, D. Lowercase, D. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase, A. Lowercase, A.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, morning bells are
Uppercase, B.
bells are ringing, ding dang dong.
Lowercase, B. Uppercase, C.
Are you sleeping?
Uppercase, D.
Sleeping, brother John,
Lowercase, C.
morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong.
Lowercase, D. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple. A is for ant. B is for bat. B is for ball. C is for car. C is for carrot. D is for duck. D is for door. Uppercase, A. Lowercase, A. Uppercase, B. Lowercase, B. Uppercase, C. Lowercase, C. Uppercase, D. Lowercase, D. Please like and subscribe to my channel.